We've studied melting, where solid turns into liquid, and evaporation, where liquid turns into gas. And now, let's study condensation. Condensation is the process of gas turning into liquid. Condensation is the change of water vapor, which is water in the gaseous state, into water in the liquid state. Condensation generally occurs in the atmosphere where warm water rises. So you see that the water is heated and this warm water rises and it cools down when it touches a cool surface. When it touches the surface and it cools down, it turns into liquid. So you see the water dripping from the surface back into the beaker again. For a more vivid view, we will see how the particles are moving. Notice the particles on the cool lid. The water in the beaker is evaporating, so it turns into gas. When this water vapor touches the cool lid, it turns into water and then it drips back into the beaker. The amount of water on the lid stays the same. Why is that? Logically, because the gas that is evaporating is turning back into the pot again when it touches the cool lid, and then evaporation takes place. So it is a continuous process of evaporation and then condensation. Remember, evaporation is the change of liquid into gas under increasing temperature, while condensation is the exact opposite. It's the change of gas into liquid state. This happens during cooking. When the water boils in a pot, this water vapor touches the cover of the pot and then it drips back again as liquid.